Hi guys, so come here with me and my bestie. So the three, I'm not gonna show the so cute. Look at her. She's looking so easy and we love the sauce. So guys, my grandma actually put the Gatsby, but she also made just chicken now. The chicken is so good. Sorry guys about that, pero may cookie portion. En Nico. This doesn't beat the Gatsby. The Gatsby does. Why not? I should beat everything. I don't know if you guys can see mine. Yeah. Because I feel so you guys can see my butt. Now I need a fork to put it on my bread because it's too hard. Yeah. I'm just breaking pieces. I'm not playing at the bread. I'm just eating. But I'm gonna get hungry. I got it in my belly. I just do this sometimes. Finally, I got a big piece of. Sauce. The video is almost done. I should have to also make a part 2. Video. A part 2. So if I didn't show for you guys, I showed for the haters. Not haters, enemies. Enemies is your haters, but not haters, enemies. I don't want you to see this. Guys, and I'm gonna call you guys mean fam. Because my cousin called me I'm in a berry. So bye guys.